Good afternoon, people. If you can hear me, please type in yes in comment box, or the way you can acknowledge me would be great, whatever the way it is. Today we are late, so there might be some problem. That's the reason. So sorry for this. And good afternoon, people. If you can. All right. So shall we start? We are already like almost half an hour late. Hi, Saloni. Hi, Eric, Jennifer, Mercy. Mercy is new today. RK, you joined Zoom link. Super. And who else? Yotam. Morning. I'm sorry, Jennifer. Flywell. Hello, Flywell. All right. So looks like many of you have joined. Many of you have joined here on Zoom today. So how many of you have attended the Friday's session on Jain University admission on some other related queries? Was there a session? RK? Was there a session like last Friday? There was. All right. Because you haven't attended. Okay. Anyone who attended? No. Jennifer, no. None of you? Because there was the link given on YouTube also. Binay, I don't know how to paste link because the moment I paste it, it's not showing up. I'll just try once again. Let me see if it works out. Okay, 1 minute. So just one try. Okay. All right. So nobody attended. Fine. I was thinking that if you people would have attended, I'll ask some things to you because I had another session that time. All right. Okay. Fine. So do you remember what we have done last Saturday? Vinay, I have already put link in description. I don't think so. I can put it in description. Okay, next time I'll try. Okay, fine. Average revision, and we have done something else also at the end, isn't it? We did mixture of two types of rice. Very good, Jennifer. So we did 3 questions only, not much. So today we will do. But before I start my session, I left something incomplete other day. I was talking to you about WHY. Yes or no? Find out your why. Do you remember that? Yeah, right. Okay. So I finished it in quickly because I got to know that you have session to attend at 4 o'clock. So I'll finish it today. I'll share one of my small experience with you people. All right. As of now, let's move to this question. At the end, I'll do that. Okay. So if you people will stick around, you will be able to hear my side story. All right. Hi, Sushmita. Hi, Binay. Sushmita can put the link in the chat. I think it can work. Fine, people. Will you give a try to this question? Yes, Binay, I have got your question. I am listening to it, but I cannot do it. It's impossible from my end. I cannot put it in like where? In the description. I'm not the authorized person to do that. Okay. Yeah. Anybody got the answer? Eric, Bikash, RK for this question? Jennifer. Or you want me to discuss one question? Asif, any answer? People, I hope you can hear me, right? Your one option is missing here. Or maybe this is 153 per kg. This 153 is incorrect, people. This is option A. Okay. So 165. So let's discuss. Two variety of pulses worth 126 and 135 are mixed in a third variety in the ratio 1:1:2. All right. If the mixture worth is rupees 153 per kg, the price of third variety per kg is what? That's the question. So now when the first variety, second variety, and third variety, right? Everyone is in what ratio? 1:1:2. So it is 1:1:2. If I multiply one everywhere, I can say that this is 1 kg, this is 1 kg, and this is 2 kg, right? Okay. If I multiply the same ratio by 2, I will get what? 2 kgs, 2 kg, and 4 kg. Still, you see the ratio is what? 1:1:2, 1:1:2, right? So what we will do in such type of question, we assume that we bought 1 kg of type 1, we bought 1 kg of type 2, and we bought 2 kgs of type 3. All right. Now I don't know type 3, so type 3 per kg, so I'll assume it as X rupees per kg. So now it is what? If I'm buying 1 kg of first type, then it will be 126 rupees plus. If I'm buying 1 kg of the second type, so again it will be 135 rupees. And I'm buying 2 kgs of third type, which is X rupees. I'll write it here. This is 126, this is 135, and this is X. So this is 2X, right? Now 153 per kg. Overall, how many kgs we bought? How many kgs we bought overall? How many kgs we bought overall? Can anyone reply quickly in the chat box? How many kgs we bought overall? Come on, people. 4 kg, right? 1 kg plus 1 kg plus 2 kg. So can I say I would have paid for all the mixture as 153 for 1 kg. So for 4 kg, I would have paid 153 into 4. So 153 into 4 is 612, and this is 2x, and this is 16261, right? This is 261. 125 plus 125 is 250. 250 plus 11, 261. So 2x is equal to what? 612 minus 261. So this will be 1, 11 minus 6 is 5, and this is 5 minus 2, 3. So x is equal to 351 by 2. 351 by 2 is 175.5. Yes, somebody answered. Ashish answered. Ashish, that's absolutely right answer. 175.5. Is that clear? Clear, people? Can you type in? Yes. Jennifer and two others. Flywell, Sandali, Saloni. Okay. Eric, can you reply people quickly? Quickly. That's okay. Okay, Eric. It means not clear. What should I understand with okay? For total kg, we need to add ratio. No, RK. What we were doing, what is the ratio given here? Let's simplify it in a very simpler way. So they are saying, fine, Jennifer, I'll repeat. This you understood that there are three types of rice: 1 kg, first variety, second variety, and third variety. First variety is 126 rupees per kg. Second variety is 135 rupees per kg. And third variety, I don't know, so I'll assume it as X rupees per kg. Now, what is the ratio given? 1 is to 1 is to 2. So I'll assume that I'm taking 1 kg, 1 kg, and 2 kgs. All right. So when I see total, if I'm buying 1 kg of first type, 1 kg of second type, and 2 kgs of third type, so my total kgs is equal to what? 4 kg. I hope that point is clear now to you, RK. All right. Jennifer, now look at this. 1 kg you bought of this type, first type. It means that you would have paid 126 rupees. 1 kg you bought 135 rupees per kg one. So you would have paid 135 rupees plus 2 kgs you bought this one. So 2x. And now for the mixture is worth 153 rupees per kg. 153 rupees per kg mixture. So mixture is nothing but 1 kg of first type plus 1 kg of second type plus 2 kgs of third type. So total it is equal to what? 4 kg. So, and that per kg it is costing 153. So total it will cost 4 into 153. I hope it's clear now, right? And then this will be, when you will add, this will give you 261 plus 2x is equal to 612. So 2x is equal to 351 by 2. And this is now 175.5. Thank you, Eric, for replying clearly now, because your okay was not so clear. Jennifer, I hope it is clear, right? Yes, you also have mentioned it. Okay, so let's go to the next one then. Okay, before I move to the next one, do you know profit and cost price? It's just we will do anyway this topic in detail, but there are 2-3 questions which is based on this. So you know CP, SP, and profit percent. You know this? So can I say profit percent is equal to SP minus CP? That will be profit by CP into 100. When I'll solve it further, I'll bring this 100 in denominator, and this will become SB by CP minus CP by CP, and P percent by 100, that's profit percent, is equal to SP by CP, and this is equal to -1. On solving it further, this will give you 1 plus profit percent upon, or you can say 100. Let me write down one more step quickly. 100 plus profit percent upon 100 is equal to SP by CP. That's the case, right? I hope you know this. So basically, simple thing. SP by CP, if it is profit, we will add. If it is loss, we will subtract. We will see this anyway in next topic. Next topic is profit and loss only. So as of now, I just want you to use one play at one place. That's why I'm sharing this with you. And I'm pretty sure you know this all, right? So now see this question. I'll solve one question. We'll solve together. Two varieties of rice are mixed in the ratio of 2:3 ratio and is sold at 22 per kg, resulting 10% profit. If the cost of smaller quantity is, 14, what is the cost per, what is the cost for the larger quantity? Actually, it has to be for the larger quantity. So you remember this cheaper quantity and dearer quantity, that's the expensive one. And then you write mean price at the center. This will be dearer price minus mean price. And this will be mean price minus cheaper price. This you remember? We have discussed this. Remember this? Yes, no? Today I don't know why you people are not replying. So I have to assume no. Okay, I think we have discussed this. Yeah, right. Okay, so what we do, this part, the bottom part, this part, okay, this part is ratio. So what is the ratio given to us? What is the ratio given to us? 2:3. So 2:3, the ratio is given to us. We will come back to this little later. We'll come back to this point. If the cost of smaller quantity, so smaller quantity will be 2. So if the cost of smaller quantity, it means that this is 14. We need to calculate cost of this. Also, we know that mean price has to be there. Now, in center, always and always, it has to be cost price. But what they have given to us? They have given a selling price. Sold at 22 per kg. It means that they have given a selling price. And profit percent is also given to us, that is 10%. We need to calculate what? We need to calculate cost price. So just now I told you, SP by CP is equal to 100 plus 10 by 100. I think Vikash, it has to be, okay, you're telling me final answer maybe. 100, just now we have looked at the formula, 100 plus profit percent upon 100. What is profit percent given to us? 10%. So SP by CP is equal to 100 plus 10 upon 100. Do we know SP? Yes, that is 22. So 22 by CP is equal to 110 by 100. This will get cancelled, 11 1, 11 2. So CP is equal to what? Finally, 20. So at the place of this, not X, this cost price, I will write 20. Did you understand so far? Did you understand so far? Right? Now, 20 minus 14, we know this value, or else you can do this way also. X minus 20 is equal to 2 and 20 minus 14 by 3, which is 6. 20 minus 14, I'm writing it here, and this part, 2 by 3, I'm writing here. So when you solve it further, this will give you x minus 20 by 6 is equal to 2 by 3, 3 1, 3 2, 2 2 4, 20 plus 4, x is equal to 24. So here you will get 24. So your answer is 24 rupees per kg. 24 is the answer. If you want me to repeat, I'll repeat quickly. Shall I? Yeah. So I'll do. So first of all, we will go ahead with, did I leave any space somewhere? 1 minute. I have done by logic. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, let me tell you one simple example again. Many of you would have forgot maybe. So let's say one type of rice. I'm repeating people. I'm repeating the concept. Try to understand. Okay. Let's say there is a shopkeeper. He has first type of rice, which is 10 rupees per kg. and he has another type of rice which is 35 rupees per kg. Now he decided to mix this both, and that mixture is costing. Mixture is costing 25 rupees per kg. Did you understand so far? I repeat, there is a shopkeeper. He has two types of rice. One is 10 rupees per kg, another one is 35 rupees per kg. He mixed these two, and that mixture is costing him as 25 rupees per kg. Mixture is costing 25 rupees per kg. I hope that's clear. Now, what should be the ratio? How much quantity should I take from first type and second type such that I'll get it at 25 rupees per kg? So to calculate this, what we do, 35 minus 25, 10, 25 minus 10, 15. So you will get what? 2 is to 3, right? Which means that if 5 kg is the mixture, I will take 2 kg of type 1 and 3 kgs of type 2. Did you understand so far? All of you got it? Yes? And RK, is that clear to you now? I'm waiting. Let me go easy on this question. First question, because once you understand this, you will understand each and everything. Now, look at this one. This is mixture cost price. Fine. I'm going to the question now. Now, in this question, forget about whatever my drawing is. Ignore this. Ignore this part. Let's start from the starting. Okay. So, two varieties of rice are mixed in the ratio of 2:3. So, if I see, if compared to this is the ratio given. This part is given 2:3. Coincidentally, it is same also. So it means that in the question, this 2:3 part is this part. You don't know what is happening. This part is given. 2:3. All of you agree to this? Okay, this is 2:3 and is sold. Now selling price is given 22 rupees per kg, resulting in profit of 10%. What is this mixture selling price? But I need to calculate this mean price is always of mixture, is always cost price of mixture. So I don't know cost price yet. So I will be calculating cost price that we will see now. Now cheaper quantity, they have given that the smaller quantity, the cost of smaller quantity. So 2 kg smaller or 3 kg smaller? 2 kg smaller. So that's why the cost of the smaller one is 14. So here we will write 14. 14, not 4, just write 14. What is the cost of the larger quantity? So the larger quantity is 3. So we need to calculate this price. Let it be X. Now, what is missing? If I look at this, if I go ahead with this diagram, what is missing? I know 14. I know 2:3. I don't know this mean price or cost price of mixture. I don't know this. I don't know this part also. So with the help of this data, that is SP and profit percent, I will be calculating my cost price. All right. So SP by CP is equal to 100 plus profit percent upon 100. So 100 plus 10, 10%, right? 100 plus 10 by 100. So SP is equal to 100 plus 10 by 100. This will give you 22 by 22 is your CP, SP. CP we need to calculate 100 plus 10% is profit. So I'll write 10 by 100. So when you solve this, CP is equal to 20, So that 20, I'll write it here, CP of mixture. CP of mixture is 20. So this will be 20. Fine. Is that clear so far? Now, one more way you can solve this question. 20 minus 14, you know that. 20 minus 14 is 6. Now, 3 into 2 is 6. So, 2 into 2 is 4. So, something minus 20 should be 4. It means that this x is equal to 24. If you don't want to do this method, you can just do it directly. Is that clear now? We will see one more question so that it will get crystal clear. Yes or no? People, can you reply? If it is clear, good. If it is not clear, then we'll see. I hope I'm audible. Thank you, Sandali. Okay. Jennifer, is that clear now? Mercy, you are new today. Looks like Tasnia, super. Okay. Oh, wait, let me go to the similar question. Then there is one more question, similar one. Yeah, here it is. Try. How many kilogram of sugar costing rupees 9 per kg? So there is first type of sugar that is costing 9 per kg, rupees 9 per kg, is must be mixed with 27 kilogram of sugar costing rupees 7 per kg. So second type of sugar is costing 7 rupees per kg. And how many kgs you bought? We bought 27 kgs. So that there may be a gain. Again, I need mean price now, mean price or cost price of mixture, right? Again, 10% by selling the mixture at 9.24. Now 9.24 is SP or CP. Can you type in? 9.24 is SP or CP. Yes, Ashish, that's right. 9.24 is SP or CP. Right, Rahul, right, Sandal, that it is SP. So can I use that formula? SP by CP1? SP by CP is equal to 100 plus profit percent upon 100. Now, SP I know. What is the SP? 9.24 rupees. CP I don't know. 100 plus profit percent is 10 by 100. So when you solve this, this will be what? 9.24 by CP is equal to 110 by 100. When you remove this decimal, you will get 100. So this 100 and this 100 will get cancelled out. Is this number divisible by 11? Check divisibility rule of 11. Divisibility rule of 11 says that sum of the digit at alternate places and their difference should be equal to what? 11 or 1, right? 11 or 0, sorry. So 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 minus 2 is 11. So this number is cancelled by, can be cancelled by 11. Let's cancel it. 11, 1, 11, 8, and 4. And this is 84 by 10 is equal to CP. Do you want me to write it, rewrite it? 9.24 is SP, CP is CP, 100 plus profit percent is 10 by 100. When I remove this decimal, I'll get 100 in denominator. So this 100 will get cancelled out. So this is 924 by CP is equal to 110 by 1. Now I can cancel this with 11, 11, 84. So 84 by 10 is equal to CP. So CP is equal to 8.4. When CP is equal to 8.4, where will I write it? At this place? This place I'll write 8.4. Now, one thing to notice here, people, this value, this mean price, right? This will be smaller than 1 and larger than other. It could be either side, doesn't matter. But would be always smaller than one value and larger than other value. So now 9 minus 8.4 is 0.6 and 8.4 minus 7 is 1.4. Decimal will get cancelled. So this will become 14 and 6, 2, 7, 14, 2, 3, 6. Is that clear so far? Quickly reply. Quickly reply. Is that clear so far? Jennifer, Flywell, Patricia, Niyat, Nishat. Okay. Is 8.4 clear to you, Tasnia? Your tongue thick. Okay. Tasnia, is 8.4 clear to you? Can you reply? Tasnia, is 8.4? No. So 8.4, how we will get it? We will be calculating cost price. 9.24 is selling price. All right. So I'll be using this formula. Selling price upon cost price is equal to 100 plus profit percent upon 100. Selling price is 9.24. Cost price, I need to calculate 100 plus 10 by 100. And you see the way we have solved, you will get 8.4. All right. This 8.4 is your cost price of the mixture, which needs to be right. We need to write it in the center. When this first variety and second variety got mixed, that mixture is costing us 8.4. All right. Now what we will do, whatever is bigger, we will subtract the smaller number from the larger number. So 9 minus 8.4. 9 minus 8.4 is giving you 0.6. Similarly, here it is what? 8.4 minus 7 is giving you 1.4. Decimal will go away. 6 and 14, 2, 7, 2, 3. Right? Now, look at people. If 3 parts is equal to 27 kgs, if 3 parts is equal to 27 kgs, 7 part will be equal to how many kgs? So 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are, so 7 into 9, 63 will be your answer. Yes, 63 is the answer. I hope it is clear now. Tasnia, if it is still not clear, let me know. I'll come back at the end. Okay, I'll come back at the end. Fair enough? Okay, people, I'm assuming that it's clear now because you are not replying either clear, not clear, nothing. So you are putting me into question mark. So I have to take out my answer of my question mark. So, okay, what's the answer for this one? Fine, Tasnia. Cool. Let's solve this question now. Hi, Surjo. Hi, Emmanuel. Emmanuel will go, we'll see at the end then. Maybe you are coming just now, that's why. If you will join the session in the halfway, then of course there will be some problem in understanding because the concepts would have already got cleared earlier. So I'll explain to you at the end of the session. Okay, anybody got the answer for this one? Ignore this part as of now. A merchant has 1,000 kilograms of sugar, part of which he sells at 8% profit. So whenever you're looking at profit, and this is gain again, gain is again profit of 14% on the whole, right? So it's like 8% you write on one side, 18% you write on another side, and 14% you write in center. Now I'll use the same logic. 18 minus 14 is 4. 14 minus 8 is 6. What is my ratio? 2 is to 3. So if this is 2 is to 3, quantity sold at 18%. So quantity sold at 18% is 3 parts. 3 parts of 1,000 kg. So 1,000 is divided into 2 is to 3. So this is 18%, right? And this is 8%. Saloni, what they are saying, like there was 1,000 kg sugar. One part was sold at 8% profit and other part was sold at 18% of profit. All right. He gains 14% when he's selling this 1,000 kg. So he's gaining 14% profit on all. Forget about this 1,000 kg now this way. So 18 minus 14 will give you 4. 14 minus 8 will give you 6. So you will get 2 is to 3. Right? So this 1,000 kg, 8% profit was 2 parts and 18% profit was 3 parts. So now how we will calculate 3,000 3 parts out of how many parts? 3 plus 2. We will see this in ratio and proportion. It's just like I have taken to explain you averages, but yeah, profit and loss, if you would have done, it would have been better. But yeah, it's not rocket science thing. You can understand. 3, if anything is divided into 2 is to 3, this will be 3 by 5. How we are getting 3 by 5? 2 plus 3. And this part will be 2 by 5. All right, 2 plus 3. So 3 by 5 of 1,000. Yeah, that way also can be done. Fine, Bikash. So 5, 1, 5, 2,000. 3 into 200, sorry. 3 into 200. Your answer is 600. What Bikash is saying, that is also correct. 2x plus 3x is equal to 1,000. So 5x is equal to 1,000. So x is equal to 200. So this is 3x part. So 3 into 200, 600. Saloni, I hope it is clear now. Right, 600 kgs is the answer. Many of you have got it already. Saloni, is that clear? Saloni, Sandali, Clivel, Jennifer, Yotam. Okay, we'll move to the next one. This I have to explain to you. Oh, which one will solve? This we have already solved. Let's see whether you remember this or not. This one we have already solved this question. C, good. You remember percentages we have solved. A dishonest milkman professes to sell his milk at cost price, but he mixes it with water and thereby gains 25%. So 100, let's say the cost price of milk was 100, but he is gaining 25%. So it means that he would have sold it at 125, right? We had already done, yes, I know that very well. So this is profit is 25. Now 25 is This 25 rupees is the profit because of water. So they are asking the percentage of water in the mixture. So 25 liter is water and the mixture quantity is now 125. So 25 by 125 into 100. Yes. Answer is 20%. Fair enough. Cool. All right. So you know this. We'll see this. Okay, try this one. 3 utensils contain equal quantity of mixture of milk and water in the ratio of 6:1. In the first utensil, it is 6:1. What is milk and water? So milk part will be 6/7 and water part will be 1/7. So similarly, in second part, in second utensil, what will be milk is to water? Milk is to water ratio is given 5:2. So what will be milk part and what will be water part? What will be milk part and what will be water part in the second utensil? Right, Rahul. Saloni, think this. This is 5:2. So milk part will be 5 by 5 plus 2 and water part will be 2 by 5 plus 2. So that is 5/7 and 2/7. Right. So similarly in third utensil, what will be milk is to water ratio then? Milk is to water ratio given to us is 3:1. So what will be milk is to water part? Come on, quickly. You already have now 6/7, 1/7, 5/7, 2/7. So this one will be quickly reply. Be awake and reply 3/4 and 1/4. Right, 3/4 and 1/4. Awesome. So now we have to calculate ratio of milk and water in the final mixture. So milk and water in the final mixture will be what? You add all milk part. So 6/7 plus 5/7 plus 3/4. What will be water part? 1/7 plus 2/7 plus 1/4. And now just solve this. 7 and 4 LCM will be 28. So 6 into 4, 24. 5 into 4, 20. 3 into 7, 21. 7 into 4 LCM is 28. So that will be 4 plus 8 plus 7. So this 28 and 28 will get cancelled out. In numerator, it will be 65 and denominator, it will be 19. So your answer is 65:19. I hope you understood. You do know how to calculate this. All of you got it? Yes. Okay. Sandal, is that clear? Jennifer? Sabyasachi? Yotam? It is clear. Please reply quickly so that I can move on. Thank you, Eric. Okay, so basically what we have to do when three types of mixture, when three types of quantities been given and we have to mix it, we just have to take it separately and add it. That's the conclusion for this question. Yeah. Okay. Simple one it is. Okay. How to solve this question? Will you try? So he has two cane, cane 1 and cane 2. All right. In the first one, the water content is 25%. So what will be milk content? How much will be milk content? How much will be milk content? Yes, 75%. Right? In cane 2, the second cane contains 50% water. So if 50% water, it means that milk is also 50% in it, right? In what ratio the content of two canes be mixed to get a mixture in which the concentration of milk is 60%. The concentration of milk is 60%, all right? So when we are mixing these two, milk concentration is, we are mixing these two, when we are mixing these two, we are getting milk concentration as 60%, equal to 60%. So what you do, take milk from this side, 75%, take milk from this side, 50%, and milk. I'm taking milk, milk, milk. So 75 minus 60 is 15, 60 minus 15 is 10. So the ratio is what? 2:3. So the answer is 2:3. All of you got it? Right? Whatever the ratio been given, we need to take that. If it is given, what? If it is given water, if instead of this 60, if they would have given you 40% water, then we should have taken 25, 50, and 40. Answer would have been same in that case also. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Binay, I'll suggest you to write down your query on this step up learning, step up dot learning solutions @gmail.com. Okay, send your query on this, whatever thing you are confused about, we will see that. Okay, so let me move on. I hope that's clear to everyone. Okay, this is different question. I will solve one for you and let's understand. We will be doing it by logic only. Okay, so a mixture of 150 liter of wine and water contains 20% water. 150 liter mixture of what? It is mixture of wine and water. Contains what percent of water? 20% water. It means that wine will be 80%, right? So 20% of 150. So it will be 30 liter. So out of 150, this is 130. Out of 150, this is 30 liter. It means that this would be 120 liter. Wine would be 120 liter. Is that clear so far? Is that clear? Right? Now what they're saying, how much more water should be added? How much more water should be added so that water becomes 25% of the new mixture? So I don't know how many liter of water was added. How did you come up with? I've calculated 20% of 150. 150 liter is the total quantity available with me. And 20% of 150. 20% of 150 will give you 30 liter. I hope, Jennifer, it's clear now. So how many liter of water should be added such that this become 25%, such that water becomes 25% of the new mixture? Now, if water becomes 25%, then wine will be what percent? If water is 25%, then wine will be what percent? 75%, right? And what is the ratio? 1:3? Yes or no? It is 1:3, 25%. I repeat. Now, when we add some liters of water to it, water quantity will become 25%. If water quantity is 25%, wine will become what? 75%, right? 100 minus 25% will give you 75%. So when I cancel this, 25, 1, 25, 3, you're getting this 3. Now, are we adding, listen to this carefully, okay? Are we adding any wine to it? No. So wine will remain 120 liter only. So can I say 3 part is equal to 120 liter? 3 part is equal to 120 liter. So one part will be, this one part will be equal to how many liters? 3 ones are 3, 4, 40. So one part will be equal to 40 liter, right? Okay, I repeat, if 3 part is 120 liter, so one part, this one part will be equal to how many liter? So when you cancel this, you will get 40 liter. Let's say this capital X. So if this is 40, this one part is equal to 40. Can I say this 30 plus X is equal to 40? So if 30 plus X is equal to 40, X is equal to what? 10 liters? That's your answer. Did you understand? All of you got it? Yes or no? One more way this can be done. Let me see if we will be getting same answer or not. Hopefully we should get the same because logic is absolutely right. Wait, let me see. We can check it by option also. Yeah, you can. That also makes sense, Rahul. So, right, you are absolutely right, Rahul. We'll go by option also. So 150 liter, 20% is water. It means that 30 liter is water. So now I'm adding X liter of water such that this will become 25% of entire, and the total quantity will also become 150 plus X. If you don't want to do this, I think this will be simpler one. So when you solve this, this will be 1 by 4, and 4 into 30, 120 plus 4X is equal to 150 plus X, right? So 150 minus 120, 30, and this is 4X minus X. So 3X is equal to 30, or X is equal to 10 liter. All right. And what Rahul is saying, that is also correct. You can go ahead by option. That's very, very easy one. Out of 150 liter, that's very direct actually. Out of 150 liter, you know that 30 liter, that is 20%, is water. So if 30 liter is water, how much water should be added? Let's add 10 liters. So 30 plus 10. So here also you need to add 10 because 10 will get added in entire quantity also. So 40. 40 by 160. Is it 25%? Yes, that's your answer. You can go by option also. Anybody wants me to repeat anything? This is by option, optional method, options method. This is logical method. This is traditional method. Okay, but answer is same everywhere and it is more or less same. Which part you want me to repeat, Jennifer? Which part, Jennifer? 30 plus x. Okay, you can ignore this one. It is like this. 30 plus x is equal to 40 because this one part is equal to 40. 3 part is equal to 25. Sorry, not 25. 3 part was equal to 120. So 1 part will be equal to 40. So 30 liter was water, and we have added some liters of water such that now total water quantity is 40 liter. So x is equal to 10 liter. I hope it is clear now, right? Okay. All right. Let's move on. Jennifer, if it is not clear, let me know. We'll see at the end. Okay, people, let's try this question. I know you will be able to repeat. Mr. R. Truniar. Okay, stay till the end. We will solve similar question once again, or one more similar question. So that time you will understand. In case if you don't understand that time also, Runiar will do one thing. Will come at the end. Okay, I just want to go with everyone. So I'll come at the end if you want me to repeat. Fine, Junior? Please reply to me if it is fine with you. I will say that go ahead with the option in this question. Vinay, I have not created any WhatsApp group or any other group. I have asked it one to one person, but that person didn't reply yet. Okay, let's go ahead with the option. The ratio of petrol and kerosene in the container is 3:2. So petrol and kerosene is 3:2. I'll assume first option. If it is 25 liter, everyone pay attention. Be with me. 25 petrol to kerosene is what? 3:2. So 3 by 5 of 25 and 2 by 5 of 25. So this will be 15 liter and this will be 10 liter, right? Now 10 liters of the mixture is taken out and is replaced by the kerosene. The ratio becomes 2:3. Now, when I don't think so that this question will be part of your exam, but just to make you understand the concept, I have added this question. Okay. I repeat, this question would not be a part of IND SAT exam. I'm damn sure about it. But just to make you understand the concept, we are doing this question. All right. So try to understand. I hope you understood so far 3:2, 15 and 10 liter. Now 10 liter of the mixture is taken out and is replaced by the kerosene. So when you're taking out 10 liter, can you separate petrol and kerosene? If it is a mixture, can you separate petrol and kerosene? Can you just answer this? Can we separate petrol and kerosene? Yes, no. Can you? Really? Petrol and kerosene is mixed. Okay, think about it. If milk and water is mixed, can you separate milk and water from the mixture? Can you take out water separately and milk separately? No, right? All of you agree to this? We cannot separate it. But when we are taking out solution, right? When we are taking out petrol and kerosene mixture, this mixture comprised of what? Petrol and kerosene. So some part of petrol and some part of kerosene will come out. So now we need to see 10 liter is withdrawal out of 25 liter. So 10 by 25 of 15. right? So I'll cancel it with 5, 5, 2, 5, 5, 5, 1, 5, 3. It means that 25, 3 is to 2, and this is 3 by 5 of 25, and this is 2 by 5 of 25. You will get 5, 15 liter, and here you will get 10 liter. So 10 by 25 of 15. This is 2 by 5, 3, that is minus 6. 15 minus 6, 9 liter petrol will be there. This is petrol, 9 liter petrol, and this will be, I'll explain to you each and everything. 10 by 25 of 10, 2 by 5, 10 minus 4, 10 minus 4 will give you 6 liter plus 10 liter. So this will become 9 liter and this will become 16 liter. So final ratio should be 2:3, which is not the answer. Okay, now people understand. I'll repeat. What we are doing, 25 we have taken first option, 3:2, you got 15 liter and 10 liter. Did you, okay, I'll write again. 25 liter we have assumed as the first option. The ratio is 3:2, which means that this will be 15 liter and this will be 10 liter. Reply to me quickly without wasting time that so far it is clear. This 3-step, 1, 2, 3. 3 steps are clear. Everyone, please quickly. Thank you. Right? Now, 10 liters of the mixture. What is mixture quantity? 25. So 10 by 25. Some part of petrol will also come out. So 10 by 25 of 15. This part of petrol we need to subtract because it is coming out. All of you got that? 10 by total quantity. 10 by 25. 10 by 25 of what? 15 liter. It means that this part of petrol is coming out. Is that clear to everyone? Right? So when you solve this further, you will get 6 liter. So 15 minus 6 is equal to 9 liter. Similarly, 10 by 25 of 10 liter. This part, kerosene is coming out. All right, which will be 4 liter. This will you solve, it will give you so. So 10 minus 4 is 6. But remember, and is replaced by the kerosene. So this 10 liter of mixture is getting replaced by kerosene. So 6 plus 10. That's why this will be 16. So now check, is 9 is to 16, 2 is to 3. Is 9 is to 16, 2 is to 3. 9 is to 16, 2 is to 3. Yes, no. Is 9 is to 16, 2 is to 3? No, right? So this is not my answer. Okay. All right. Now see another one. Let's say the other option is 30. 3 is to 2. It means that 30. Okay, you will understand it, RK, now this time. 30 and 20. I hope this is clear. Now 10 liter out of 30 liter, 10 by 30 of petrol. And how many liter is petrol? 30 liter petrol. So 10 by 30 of 30. It means that 10 liter will be coming out. So 30 minus 10 is 20. Similarly, what about water? 10 by 30. How we are taking out? I will explain again. 10 by 30 of 20. 10 by 30 of 20. 20 by 3. Right? So 20 by 3 will give you in decimal. that is 6.66. 6.66 plus 10 liter we need to add. So this is not giving you answer. 30 liter is not giving you answer. Okay, then check another option. What is the third option? 45. There must be some shortcut for this question, people. I'll look for the shortcut and get back to you people. But try to understand the concept right now. Another one is 45. If it is 45, so 3 is to 2. So this will be 27 and this is 18, right? 27 and 18. RK, I'll explain to you again. Now we are taking out 10 liters out of 45 liter, and this time it is 27. And this will be 5 9s are 45, 5 2s are 9 1 9 3. So 27 minus 6. 27 minus 6 is 21. So 21 is not divisible by 2. Wait, let me find out. There must be a shortcut for this question. Or this is getting too much complicated this way because it's getting really difficult for you to understand the story. 3 by 5 of 10. Wait, let me try this way if it will give you the answer. 3 is to 2, so 3x and 2x. So 10 by 5x of 3x divided by 10 by 5x of 2x plus 10 liter, and the ratio becomes 2 is to 3. Okay, people, I'll just move to one blank sheet where I can explain you this question. So it's too complicated. Now I have made it easy. Understand. So petrol to kerosene ratio given 3 is to 2 in the question. I'm just typing it quickly or writing it quickly. Understand, petrol to kerosene ratio is given 3 is to 2. If 10 liter of mixture, try to understand, you will find it simpler one. This method, you will find it simple, right? If 10 liter of mixture is replaced by kerosene, ratio of petrol to kerosene will be 2 is to 3. All right, that was the question. What is the total quantity of the mixture? Quantity of mixture. Okay, this was the question. Fine. Now assume that, focus, now it will be simpler to understand. Assume that 3x is petrol and kerosene is 2x. So total quantity is 5x. Fair enough? Is that clear? Now 10 liter of mixture is replaced by kerosene. So when you're taking out 10 liter of mixture, you will be taking out some part of petrol and some part of kerosene. Now what will be petrol part come out? Petrol part will be 10 by, what is mixture quantity? 5x, 10 by 5x of petrol. So of petrol, this part will come out. Is that clear? Is that clear? 10 parts, whatever is getting replaced out of total quantity. All right, of petrol quantity. This part will need to be subtracted. Is that clear, people? Type in yes or no, whatever it is. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So, and how can anyone tell me what part of kerosene will come out now? What part of kerosene will come out? Can anyone type it in terms of this way? 10 by 5x into what? 2x, because 2x is kerosene. So how your equation will be? 3x was the petrol earlier, but when you're taking out 10 liter of mixture, 10 by 5x of 3x part is also coming out. This is petrol quantity. This is petrol quantity. Now, how about kerosene quantity? Kerosene quantity will be 2x minus 10 by 5x of 3x. This part will come out, but 10 liter of mixture is replaced by kerosene, so we need to add 10 from our side. And now this ratio will be equal to what? 2:3. Okay. Did you understand now? How plus 10? RK, the thing is that whatever mixture is taken out, mixture, 10 liter mixture, right, is taken out, is being replaced by kerosene. So you are adding 10 liters of kerosene. So that kerosene needs to get added in kerosene part. So this has to be 2x. This has to be 2x. So 2x minus 4 plus 10 is equal to 2 by 3. Can you solve this now? Yeah. Right. So this is 9x minus 18 is equal to 2, 2 2s are 4x plus 6. So plus 12. So 5x is equal to 30, x is equal to 6. If x is equal to 6, it means that the mixture quantity was what? 5 into 30. Sorry, 5 into x. 30 will be the answer. Okay. I hope it is clear now. That 30 there also it should have given you answer. Maybe we would have made, or I would have made a mistake somewhere. Is that clear, people? Jennifer, I can give you in return that this question will not come in your exam. It's just like I have added because I was thinking that there will be time. So based on that, is that okay? Why we have 3x minus? Because when, okay, so why we have 3x minus and 2x minus, Vikash? Because the thing is that you are taking out 10 liter from mixture. So when we are taking out the 10 liter of mixture, some part of kerosene and some part of petrol will come. So let me take this one here. Let me say this way. First method would have worked. I think I have made some mistake, Eric, somewhere. It would have worked. It would have given you the answer, but yeah, because I was going into my head how you will understand this question method. So maybe I would have made some mistake in that. So because your question for this 10 liter is getting replaced. In this 10 liter also, in this 10 liter, okay, a very simple one actually. In this 10 liter also, what is, okay, this will become more simpler, people. 1 minute. I got one more easier thing here. Just now it clicked. 10 liter is getting replaced, right? Getting replaced. Okay. So understand this very simpler one. 10 liter. What is petrol to kerosene ratio? 3:2, right? In the beginning. So even in this 10 and 10 liter, 3 by 5 of 10 is how much? 6 liter, and 2 by 5 of 10 is how much? 4 liter. It means that in this 10 liters, 6 liter was petrol and 4 liter was kerosene, which came out. All right. So I can tell you now another thing, one more. If you understand this part, then this question becomes more simpler. Petrol to kerosene in the beginning, it is given 3:2, right? 10 liter is replaced by kerosene. So if they are saying 10 liter replaced, in this 10 liter also petrol to kerosene ratio will be 3:2 only, which will be 6 and 4. So now this is 3x and this is 2x. So 3x minus 6 and this is 2x minus 4. But is replaced by kerosene. It means that we need to add 10 liter of kerosene part. So petrol and kerosene. Now this entire thing will become 2:3. Okay, so you don't have to write this 10 by 5x of 3x. Ignore that part. You can simply do this way. This is much, much simpler than that one. Is that clear now? I hope it would, now it would have got clear. Yes or no? RK, I hope it is clear now why we are adding 10. Why we are adding 10? Because 10 liter is replaced. If you're taking out 10 liter, you are replacing it by kerosene. Okay, that's why we are adding 10 liter. Yeah, Mahamudul, I understand because I also did not pay attention. I'm extremely sorry for that because I was thinking that ratio, I could have covered ratio. I'm extremely sorry for this. I'm really feeling guilty that I have taken this topic before doing ratio and proportion. I'm extremely sorry for this. Okay. Extremely sorry. So, yeah. But I hope you are understanding little bit. Once when we will do ratio and proportion, that time it will get, everything will get super clear. And if you need, we will discuss few more question at the very soon. Okay, so then you will not find it difficult. So, okay. Can you try this question? The answer will be bad. No, not this one. 1 minute. This is different type of question. Okay, can you try this one? Yeah, this was part of average. One particular set was part of average, Rahul, not entire part. What is income equals to? Can I say expenditure plus saving? Right? I'll request you to assume income as 100 rupees. If income is 100, expenditure and saving are in the ratio of 3:2. So can I say this will be 3 by 5 of 100, that is 60, and this will be 40. So your expenditure will be 60 and your saving will be 40. Fair enough? I have assumed income as 100 rupees and ratio of income, expenditure and saving is 3:2. It means that expenditure is 60 and saving is 40. Is that clear so far? Yes, no? Thank you, Jennifer. Now, if the income is increased by 15%, so what will be new income? If income is increased by 15%, what will be new income? 115. Yo, super. And the savings increases by 6%. Saving increases by 6%. What will be new saving? This 6% will be increased on 40. This 6% will increase on 40. So what will be new savings? So 6% of 40. 42.4? Right. 2.4. 1% is, or you can say 10%. Yeah, 6 by 100, you do this way only. That would be big, more sense. 6 into 4, 24, 2.4. So we need to add plus 2.4. You will get what? 42.4. So if 115 is your income and your saving is 42.4, what will be your expenditure? All of you understood this 42.4? 21%. Okay, let's see here. Right, so expenditure will be equal to what? Income minus saving. Income is 115 and saving is 42.4. So 115 minus 42.4 is 77.6. Is that correct, Bikash? I think it will be, I don't think so. 77. 115 minus 40 is 115 minus 40 is 185. 185 minus 2. 72.6. Yeah, that's what 77.6 was not correct. 4 minus 2, 2, and this is 9 minus 4. 9 minus 10 minus 4. 7. What is happening? 115 minus 42.6. 10 minus 6, 4, 4, 2, 2, 11 minus 4, 7. Yeah, 72.6. 6% of 40 we have calculated, RK. 6% of 40. Now 60 became 72.6. It means that 12.6 is the increment. 12.6 is the increase on 60 into 100. So this will get cancelled out. This will get cancelled out. 6, 1, 6, 21. So answer is 21. All right. Some of you have got the answer. Okay. Understood, people? What we have done here, we have assumed income as 100. So expenditure to saving ratio was given 3:2. Okay, I'll explain. So this will become 60 and this will become 40. Now income increased by 15%. So this will be 115 and saving increased by 6%. So 6% of 40 is 2.4. So this will become 42.4. So expenditure will be, new expenditure will be 115 minus 42.4. 115 minus 42.4 will give you, this is 6 and 4 minus 2 is 2, 11 minus 4 is 72. So this will give you 72.6. Now they are asking how much percent should his expenditure increases. So his old expenditure was 60 and new expenditure is 72.6. Okay, so 60 became 72.6. So what is the increment happening? 12.6. 12.6 increment is happening on what? On 60. 12.6 by 60 into 100. So you will remove this, you will get this 61621. I think Rahul had got the answer, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, Rahul, is that clear now? Yes, no? Clear? Jennifer, Saloni, Sandali, clear? Okay. Oh, 1 minute. Okay, we'll whatever the question I'm not doing today, fine, Sandali. We'll come back on all these questions. Don't worry. Next time I'll make your life very simpler. Trust me. It's just like bad decision to take. Continue this topic. I was thinking that it's like what? That's my mistake, and I'm completely understanding it. Yeah, you will understand it. Don't worry. Just read this question. This is the last question we are solving. And whatever question we are not doing it today, we will do it some other day. Okay. And the day when we will do these questions, you will understand it very simpler way. All right. Just read this question. All of you have read the question? All of you have read the question? I'm assuming you would have read it. So let me go to this one. Let's say focus this question, focus this one, a very simpler way to understand. Okay. There is 100 liter of pure milk. Now, what is happening? 10 liter of milk is taken out, or 10 liter of milk is replaced by water. What does it mean? That if it is 100 liter pure milk, right? I'm taking out 10 liter of milk and replacing it with water. Fair enough? So if it is 100 liter pure milk, if I'm taking out 10 liters of milk and adding it with water, first time when this process was done, can I say the milk quantity was 90 and water quantity is 10 liter? Agree? Agree? Type quickly yes, no, no, yes, whatever it is. Quickly. Okay. Now you are repeating this process. Repeating this process one more time. As of now, it is one more time. So when second time you are taking out, will it be pure milk? When second time you are taking out, will it be pure milk? When second time you are taking out 10 liters of this mixture, will it be pure milk? No. It has become mixture of milk and water, right? 10 liter. And what is milk is to water right now? 9:1. It means that 9 liter milk and 1 liter water will come out. Okay. So again, one more exercise. Only one step we will do. So when 10 liter of mixture is taken out, 10 liter of mixture is taken out. I'll tell you the easiest way. Don't worry, but just understand. 10 liter of mixture means 10, 9:1. 9 part will be milk, 1 part will be water. That is 9 liter milk and 1 liter water will come out. So 90 minus 9 will give you 81 liter. 10 minus 1 will give you 9 liter. But it is being replaced by water again. This is this water. This is this water. So plus 10 we have to do. So what is happening? This 100 liter milk and water, when I do this process for the first time, I'll get 90 liter milk and 10 liter water. When I'm doing it second time, this was first time. When I'm doing it second time, 90 minus 9, 81, 10 minus 1, 9, 10 liter of solution being taken out, plus we have added 10 liter water. So that's why 9 plus 10. So 81 liter will be milk and 19 liter will be water. Okay, I hope you are understanding the concept. Now look, oh, I don't have any slide here. Let me see where I can get a slide. Okay. With rough paper, there is a way, Nishant, 1 minute, 1 minute. Now, how to do this in a quick way? 100 liter pure milk, right? You are replacing 10 liter. So if you are replacing 10 liter, what quantity will remain? What quantity will remain? Quantity will remain. What quantity will remain? 90 liter, right? So what we have to do? 100. And if we are taking out 10 liter, it means that 90 liter will remain out of this 100 liter. Now we are doing this process for 2 times. So we will write 90 by 100 2 times. When you write this 90 by 100, 90 by 100, you will get 81 liter. So this 81 liter is milk. Remaining, that is 100 minus 81 will be water. Okay, once again, 100 liter. If you are replacing 20 liters, replacing 20 liter. So what we need to do? What we will do here is 100 liter. You are replacing 20 liters. So what will remain? If I'm replacing 20 liters, so what will remain? Come on quickly. 100 liter, 20 liter I have taken out. So what liter will remain? 80. So 80 out of 100. Let's say I'm doing this process for 3 times. If I'm doing this process for 3 times, it will be 80 by 100, 80 by 100, 3 times. All right, so this will get cancelled, this will get cancelled, this will get cancelled. 8 cube is 512 by 10. So your answer will be 51.2. 51.2 will be milk. Water quantity will be what? 100 minus 51.2. All right, 49.8 will be the answer, water quantity. One more. 40 liter is milk. You are replacing 10 liter. You are doing this process 3 times. How should I do? What should I write? 40 liters. So I will write 40. Now 10 liter. This is 10. I am taking out 10 liter. So if I'm taking out 10, I need to write remaining one. So remaining one will be what? 30 out of 40. How many times I'm doing this? 3 times. So 30 by 40, 30 by 40. So this will get cancelled out. 0, 0, 0, 0. So 3, 3, 3. 27. All 0 got cancelled. 40. This 0 got cancelled. This 0 got cancelled. This 0 did not get. So 3, 3, 9, 3, 27. 270 by 16. Not 16. Yeah, 270 by 16. Okay, so we can cancel this. This will not get cancelled by, can get cancelled by 2 as of now. 2135 by 8. 8, 1. And then remainder is 5, 8, 7, 56. So approximately 70. Approximately 70. Right? Answer will not be proper. It is 135 by 8. 135 by 8 is not properly divisible. Okay, so this will be something like 135 by 8, approximately equal to 17. Is that clear now? If it is clear, so then answer one last question. I think this one. Last question. D is the answer. So 40 liters of milk, 40 liters of milk contain 4 liters of, from this container 4 liter of milk was taken out. If 4 liter of milk was taken out, it means that 36 will remain. 36 by 40 into and replaced by water. This process was repeated further 2 times. It means that we have done overall it for 3 times. So 36 by 40 and 36 by 40. If you see, this is nothing but 9 by 4, 9, 4, 10. 4, 9, 4, 10. 4, 9, 4, 10. All right, and this will get cancelled. So this is 4 into 9 cube. 9 cube is 9 square is 81. 81 into 9 is 729 into 4 by 10. 4, 9, 36, 3, 4, 2, 8, 3, 11, 4, 7, 28, and 1, 29. 29 by 100. So your answer is 29.16. I hope it is clear. Yes. Done. So let it be wherever, whatever the question we have missed out, not missed out exactly. We haven't solved it as of now. It's okay. We will come back, and whenever we do the revision, we'll do this, right? So tomorrow, actually, I was supposed to start today only one topic, which was what? Some logical topic, but today we did not get time. So maybe tomorrow we'll start that topic, okay? We will start tomorrow a logical aptitude, right? Whatever question, again, repeating, whatever question we haven't solved, don't worry. Whenever we will do some more topics, you will understand it. All right. Now, let me just tell you quickly why I was telling you WHY thing. Okay. See, people, I have seen it with my RK. I have raised your question. I couldn't speak to the concerned person, right? So we'll try to figure out what we can do about this. Okay. So quickly, let me finish my incomplete story of day before yesterday. I was talking to you about WHY, right? Find out what is your why. Now, the moment you find out your why, it becomes so simple for you to move on. Let's say that if any day you have decided that you have to practice, right? But because of the outer environment, like because outer environment is very powerful, it can make our mind divert very quickly. If 10 of your friends are coming, or if any one of your friend is coming, you can easily get divert. But the moment you know why you want to clear your IND SAT exam, what is the motto behind that, the things will become very, very, very simpler. Like can give you very, very simple my life experience. So I was, though I'm sharing this, it's a very big guts. I need to share this because it's on YouTube. Like it's getting live stream on YouTube also. But something I really want to share with you people. It's like I was into relationship for 8 years. I did not marry to the same guy. I was into 8-year relationship. Now that guy was not supporting my family. And once upon a time, it was like I was sole responsible for my family. I had entire responsibility on me. So when that I could not see that support from that guy. So finally we broke up, and I would have cried only for like 2 hours maybe. But then the moment I realized that, okay, when this person is not supporting me right now, what would be the guarantee that this person is going to support me throughout my life? Right. So the thing is, the moment I got to know my why, WHY, that, okay, why I have to leave this guy, and why it is, what is good in for me to leave this guy. So I was, after that 2 hours, I was like, okay, fine. I found out why. So it became very easy for me to move on and to start my journey again, right? A very simple example like this way many things have happened. So that's the reason. I don't know how you want to relate it with your case, but maybe some people want to study in India, as you might have to empower, or you might have to empower your siblings, because if you will start earning good, maybe you can improve your entire family situation. Okay, once you get good job, once you get good financial start or something, the things will become easy. So try to find out why you are writing this exam, and why it is important for you to clear this exam, right? If you forget every time, you do better do one thing: write it somewhere and stick it on your study table. Once you will stick it, you will never forget it. And what will happen whenever you're feeling procrastination about doing, practicing or something, then automatically you have your reason, you have your why in front of you, and that will, I'm telling you, this will motivate you big time. Okay, if you trust me, you can try. If you don't trust me, it's perfectly fine. There is nothing wrong in trying it. You can give a try. Okay, fine, people. So that's why please practicing. And if you feel like, okay, I'm not devoting the time, how much am I supposed to devote, or how much I'm supposed to give it? So that time, just remember your WHY. All right. So that's it from my side. And coming to this topic, we will discuss this topic, whatever the questions we haven't discussed now, we will discuss it again. And that time you will understand very clearly. That's my guarantee. I'm taking guarantee for that. All right, people. So I hope whatever we have done, at least 75% is clear. Can you type in 75 in comment box? Yes. All right. Okay. Super. So I'm sorry for wasting your like 5 minutes for all this for my story. But one of my students have told me, she had emailed me that because of your this story, I have moved on in my life. I have done this. So from that point, I have started that, okay, if it can impact others also, I will be thankful for the people. Like, I don't know how my scenario can help somebody. So that's the only reason I shared it with you people. Okay. So be in high spirits every time. Okay. We'll meet tomorrow, and tomorrow we'll take one lighter topic, not this one. We'll take one easy topic. Fine, people. So take care. Okay. Bye bye. Enjoy and keep practicing. All right. Bye bye, people. And if I'm sorry if I have hurt anybody by sharing my story, though it was my story, you should not get hurt. Okay. So, all right, people, take care. Bye bye. Thank you, people. Bye bye.